And all I heard them say was, if you live in Perth County or Goderich, get inside. And that's when I seen coming up over the houses, the big timbers from the Victoria Street Church twirling around. And I said, run. We made it down almost to the basement when I heard two pops. And I said, there goes the roofs. Wasn't any more than 10 seconds. And then it was quiet. The hydro was all out, and we had gigantic trees out at the side. Hadn't any clue they'd blown down until I went outside and looked. I couldn't believe what happened. 3 days later, they sent an engineer up, and he looked around, and he just closed the door and said, it's condemned. Then Economical Insurance showed up on the street and handed me a check for $10,000. And the next day, somebody from the head office, they gave me another $40 for expenses to get me through until we could get back in our house, which was, well, very welcome at that time, you know. My family and my house has a history, and I've been with Economical all that time. Where would I be if I hadn't got insurance? Like, we couldn't have rebuilt our house, but you would not be able to get back to the lifestyle that you had. Economical Insurance, as far as I'm concerned, was one of the best insurance companies in town, because I watched what some other people went through trying to get their house back in order, and we were in our house within 6 months. And that was thanks to Economical Insurance. For all they did, I want to thank Economical Insurance, and I certainly would recommend them because they do look after their customers.